everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lilin and I am from the Government Science Program study. The Fellini Brothers Circus is in town. Every year, the circus arrives and stays for a week, then they go to the next town. There are not many animals in the circus. People thought the circus that they didn't like seeing animals performing. There is an elephant called Jacob and two owls lions, Hetty and Meg. Most of the performers are human. There is Leopold, the strangest man in the world. His father also worked in the circus, but Leopold is stranger than him. He has bigger arms and bigger legs too. Leopold performs his acts every night for the town people who come to watch. Another performance is Clara. She says she has the longest hair in the world. It's about 4 meters long. She also has a daughter who works in the circus. Her name is Suelen. Her hair is a lot shorter, but she wants to grow as long as her mother. Suelen helps look after the animals and she's also learning how to juggle. The highlight of the circus are the three clowns, Pete, Pot, and Pat. They all wear long red socks, but Pat's socks are the longest and sometimes he falls over because they are so long. The performs for about 20 minutes and they are always the most popular acts with the audience, especially the children. Many people think Pete, Pot, and Pet are three brothers, but Pet is older than the other two. His their father. He's the oldest clown in the country, but he's a lot of energy.